Hello everyone, so this is Maurya again, and today I learn about this state design pattern. So, as the name suggests, there are some states in an object, like states of object change. For example, there is some object in order to perform some task on this object, I transform from one stage to another stage. For example, this is a suppose I am creating a vending machine. So this is a vending machine. I put a coin in here, then the items will dispatch and then I can take it out from here. Now, what are the states in here? Let's find out. So, firstly, there is no coin state. Then this vending machine has a coin, so has coin state. Then, if I put the coin, it will deliver me the product. So, delivered state, and then there is a sold out state. Suppose this item is sold out, then it will show me the sold out state. And also, there is a cancel state. So in between, if I cancel it, it will cancel out. So cancel state. So this is the object vending machine, and these are the tasks that I perform on this machine. So there are some states. Now let's again think of this another example. Suppose I am creating a food delivery app, and in that app, I am placing an order. And when I place an order, what happens inside that? Order is placed, then the preparation of that order starts, and then if the order is prepared, then goes out of delivery, and then it get delivered. And suppose somehow I have to cancel it, I can cancel it here. So there are some states. So if I have to design this system, how will I do that? I will be creating a order class that have state. I will be creating a order class that has state, and also there is a next state button so that I can move on to the next state. So these two are the mandatory things. So let's see how we are going to create this. There is a state that has a type of order. Then there is order. By default, I am taking that order is placed. Then there is a cancel order, get state, what is the current state, and then there is a next state method that will be calling out the next state. If I am on this state, then I will go from this to this to this to this. So what this function method will be doing is, it will, if the order placed state is present, then it will move on, then it will do the state to the preparing order. If that is preparing order, then it will be doing that, it will be moving on to the next state, what it is. So the next state is out of delivery, then cancelled state. So in that way this state method will be doing, and then there is a get state that will return me the state. Simple. Now let's see what are the problems in here. So the first problem that I can think is this bulky code. What it is, this is a bulky code. If an else statement, so this is also not following the open close principle. And we already know how to tackle this such type of problem. I can create another class, and in that class another interface, and that will be implemented using the uh, order place state, or I can call it as order state, that is the interface, and then I can implement all these features. Yeah, that will be in that way. And I can just directly call here state dot next, and then here the state will be passed so that it will be calling again. So in that way I can do that. So yeah, this is the whole gist of this state design pattern, and in that state I call out this methods again and again. Kaise, how? Let's see. So this is the state that previously we have. It has the state, the set state, the next state, cancel order, print current state. These are all the things that are previously there. I have created another interface order state that has next method that will be going to the next. How? If I call this next on this order state, order place state, then it will be taking order, and then it will call the set state method of this new, what is new preparation state. It will goes to the preparation state. So that's how this next is working. Then there is a cancel and print state, simply how they should work. Now, if I have to use it in the side my function, then or if I have to use this as a client, then how will I use that? I will create an order, new order, then I can or just print the current state, or I will call the print order next step. Then it will go take me to the next step. Let's see how. Suppose I am currently in the order placed state. So it will be going here. The state is order placed, and then I call the next state. So it will goes to the state. Current state is order placed. Then next this order state. Then it will go to the here. Then next here order state. Then it will go here. Next order. So it will call the order next order new preparation state. It will go to the preparation state. Then again, if I call this next state, then here the state is preparation. So the preparation will be passed in here. Then it will go here. Next order. So next order. This order is preparation. Order dot set state here. That again I will be calling out of delivery. In that way, this order class is proceeding. So let's formally define it. This state design pattern allow an object to change its behavior when its internal state change. Now I don't think that I have to explain it or I need to explain this. It allows an object to change its behavior when its internal state change. Here the internal states are changing, so this object behavior is also changing. This is what state design pattern states. And one important thing that we have to keep in mind is that the difference between strategy and the state design pattern. And the hint is why to use them for why to use them. Keep in mind why to use them. Why to use this state pattern and this strategy pattern. State pattern inside this object. Strategy, there are this is the object and I apply these strategies on this. So yeah, I just told you how this is different also. So that's it from my side. Bye bye.